all-electric Mitsubishi Eclipse Cross, officially revealed for the European market. The design identity is built around a concept Mitsubishi calls smart armor, combining aggressive, robust styling with electric finesse. Up front, there's an evolved dynamic shield face. The grille features a three-dimensional honeycomb pattern, giving a sense of strength and depth. The LED headlights are sleek yet assertive. Sharp lines, modern lighting signature. Moving to the sides, look at the dynamic J-shaped body lines that also integrate the daytime running lights. They give the profile movement and energy, even when the car is standing still. The wheels, distinctive 20-inch alloy rims, add sculpted elegance and a premium touch. Big wheels usually hint at sportiness, but here they're balanced, so you still have ground clearance and that crossover stance. At the rear, Mitsubishi introduces what they call their hexagonal stability motif. The rear lights sit horizontally, which visually widens the vehicle. Combined with strong geometric sculpting, it gives a powerful presence from behind. Inside, the new Eclipse Cross's interior mixes practicality with luxuriousness to create a cabin that embraces the occupants. The 12.3-inch infotainment display is the central interface of the interior's digital experience. The 3-to-4 portrait screen's FUHD resolution gives instant clarity to information, with an easy-to-use navigation bar, makes accessing and shifting through different information and functions simple. The central screen is supplemented also with 12.3-inch digital driver display, which present the driver with a clear view of the most important data, minimizing distraction and helping keep eyes on the road. Infotainment and connectivity are up to date. A large display with Google built-in, wireless smartphone integration, and over-the-air updates. The cabin is designed for 5 passengers, spacious, with room in the rear seats and a large cargo area. Families will appreciate this in daily commute or weekend travel.